Hello everybody and welcome to this GeoVisual tutorial. Today we are creating a new project in GeoVisual, learning the ins and outs of exporting and importing projects. To begin, launch GeoVisual and select New Project. Then, provide a name for your project. Want to specify a custom folder path for your project? Simply click the folder icon and choose your desired location. Once done, click Continue, and you're all set to start. We've now worked on this project for some time and want to quit. Hit the Save button in the upper left corner. Go back to the main menu. If you haven't saved everything, a warning will pop up and remind you. Click Exit to end GeoVisual. Time has passed. We reopen GeoVisual to continue working on this project. Head to the main menu and choose Load Map. All your projects will be listed there. Select our tutorial project and load it. Do note, it might take a moment. Perfect. Let's take a look at the other options in the project selection. Go back to the main menu and hit Load Project again. Here, you can delete unwanted projects. When you hit Delete, you will be asked if you want to delete project file, which means deleting just the GVI file, or delete complete project folder, which means the whole folder of the project, including copies of your imported files stored there, and anything you might have saved there yourself. You can also rename your whole project. Click the Rename button, write the new name and confirm. Want to share this project with a colleague or client? Find the Export option, choose your preferred location, and the project will be saved as a GVE file, ready to be shared or moved. Switching gears, let's say you're on another PC and wish to import a GeoVisual project. Simply select New Project, click Import, and choose the relevant GVE file. The importing process might take a bit, but once complete, your project will be readily available in the Load Project list. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to create, import, and export projects in GeoVisual. See you again soon. Cheers.